You don't need a classroom to learn. You don't need a teacher to grow. The most powerful education happens when you decide to become your own student. Every single day, the world doesn't wait for anyone. But the ones who keep learning, who sharpen their mind, who refuse to stay stagnant, those are the ones who rise, not just once, but over and over again. So ask yourself every morning, what am I feeding my mind today? Because the difference between average and unstoppable isn't talent, it's daily education. And here's how you do it. What separates the unstoppable from the average? It's not luck, it's what they feed their mind every single day. Imagine if you read just 10 pages daily. That's over 12 books a year. Books that challenge your thinking, expand your vision, and sharpen your focus. Knowledge is the one investment that never fails. Stop scrolling for escape. Start reading for elevation. Even 15 minutes a day can rewire your mindset and give you the edge the world never saw coming. You become who you listen to. Surrounding yourself with smarter conversations isn't about ego, it's about elevation. Are your daily talks stretching your mind or shrinking your vision? If everyone around you agrees with you, you're not growing. Growth happens in rooms where your ideas are challenged, your comfort zone is tested, and your limits are questioned. Seek voices that intimidate you, inspire you, and educate you, because the right conversation at the right time can change your entire direction. Every swipe is a decision, education, or distraction. What you consume daily is shaping your beliefs, your mindset, your future. Are you watching to escape or to evolve? Choose content that teaches, that challenges, that grows you. Replace endless entertainment with empowering information. A 10-minute documentary, a masterclass, a powerful interview. These moments can transform how you think. Your screen can be your biggest setback or your strongest tool, depending on how intentionally you use it every single day. You live the whole day, but how often do you actually process it? Reflection turns noise into clarity and experience into wisdom. It's not about what happens, it's about what you learn from it. Every night, ask yourself, what did I do right? What can I do better? That 5-minute mental check-in becomes your personal coach. Journaling your thoughts, wins, and mistakes sharpens self-awareness. The most successful people aren't just busy, they're intentional, and reflection is their secret weapon. Failure isn't the end, it's the beginning of real learning. The moments you fall are the moments life is trying to teach you something powerful. Most people hide their mistakes, but the unstoppable study them. They ask, what is this trying to teach me? Every setback becomes a step forward when you choose to learn instead of quit. Growth doesn't happen in comfort. It happens in chaos, in breakdowns, in the messy parts you'd rather skip. Fail loudly, learn loudly, rise louder. When you educate yourself daily, you stop chasing validation and start building self-worth. You no longer wait for someone to approve your value. You already know it. Confidence doesn't come from compliments, it comes from competence, and competence comes from consistent learning. The more you know, the less you fear. You walk into rooms with certainty, not because you're the loudest, but because you're the most prepared. Self-education turns silence into strength and knowledge into undeniable inner power.